Hi everyone, just off for my medical for the lorry licence that I'm doing. Now I'm going to try a few different things with this little series. I'm going to try a little bit of this run and gun vlogging style. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Anyway, let's start this journey. So what am I expecting from this medical? Honestly, I've got no idea. I know they check your blood pressure and your eyesight and certain things, so honestly, it's just going to be an eye-opener. But it's only 10 minutes away from where we are, so we've only got a little drive. The car's going to hardly be warmed up, so we'll get ourselves there and see what's going on. This lad in the minibus to my right was looking at the car, so I gave him a little treat. So we found a way here. I'm going to pop inside and go and see what's going on. I don't even know how long it's going to take. Let's have a look at it. All done, all dusted. I've been in there probably 15 minutes. It doesn't take that long whatsoever. What did they check? They checked blood pressure. I am actually on blood pressure tablets and have been for many years, since my early 20s. So they check your blood pressure, that was all fine. They check your eyesight. You have to have a minimum requirement from one eye and the other, and one eye, as long as one eye can read a particular distance and size of letters, you're totally fine. Both mine were okay, so it's no problems. I don't wear glasses to actually do driving. What else did they ask? They ask all sort of like history of have you got any heart conditions or anything that affects driving. The actual questionnaire that you fill in, the D4, has really got all the questions on it, and all the doctor does is just really read through his questions and ticks a box, and that's it really. So what do we do now? I send this off, and I think then we get the provisional license entitlement for the lorries, and when I've got that, I can start going. So just a little insight on what happens for a lorry medical. Thanks a lot for watching everyone. I'll see you all soon in the next episode.